In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a browser tab icon to your Wix website. This is a neat little trick that can help make your website more recognizable and professional. Whether you're just starting your website development journey or looking to add the finishing touches to your project, this simple step could make a significant difference. To begin, head over to your Wix site's dashboard. This is the place where you have control over all the settings and elements of your website. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do that now. Once you're logged into your Wix account and on the dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Setup section. You'll find this listed in the menu options. It's like the central hub for managing different aspects of your website, including the favicon. Now, what exactly is a favicon, you might ask? Well, it's that small icon that appears on your browser tab next to the page title. It's often a logo or an image that represents your website. To find the option to add or change this, go ahead and type favicon into the search bar. This will help you easily locate the favicon settings without having to dig through different menus. After typing favicon, click on the option that appears. This will take you to the specific settings page where you can customize that little browser icon to your heart's content. Here's a tip. Make sure that the image you choose is clear and easily recognizable even when it's small. It should closely represent your brand or website's theme. It's worth noting that in order to change your favicon, you need to have a premium Wix plan. Having a premium plan unlocks a bunch of helpful features, including custom domain names and removing Wix ads, but for this particular task, it's crucial. If you haven't upgraded yet, consider doing so if you want to avail yourself of the full customization options available to you. Once you've confirmed your premium status, go ahead and upload the image you want to use as your favicon. This should be a simple and quick upload process. Don't worry, Wix makes it fairly straightforward. After uploading, make sure to hit save to ensure your favicon is updated on your site. And that's it. With just a few steps, your website now has a personalized browser tab icon that reflects your brand. It's amazing how these small details can enhance your professional appearance online. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your Wix website.